Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I hope you keep the independence and you take it higher. In few minutes from now, our director, respected Joshi sir, will unfurl the national flag. We have all our teachers here ready to celebrate, to commemorate the 74th Independence Day 2020. At home, I'm sure you must be missing your school, must be feeling nostalgic, viewing the school building, the school assembly ground, your teachers, though you see them live on your class, but on this auspicious day, the same occasion you are missing. So we have here our director, sir, for unfurling the flag.
Respected Director, Shri S.N. Joshi, Principal, Mrs. Padmaja Mahathir, our school mentor, Mrs. Shobha Sharma ma'am, my colleagues, parents and students who are watching us live, a very good morning to each and every one of you. May the sun in his course visit no land more free, more happy, more lovely than this, our country. A very, very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today is the day to remember the countless sacrifices by the freedom fighters who dedicated their lives and resources to the altar of the country's freedom struggle. It is also a day to take pride in the country's rich and varied heritage, colorful fabric of myriad cultural expressions, achievements in the different domains, and the peace-loving nature of the society. Never in our slightest imagination did we perceive that after 73 years of freedom and on the 74th Independence Day, we would be celebrating this coveted day in such an unusual manner. It has been a very hapless year as India faced the challenge of Indo-China border tensions and COVID-19. The global cases crossing 2 crores and the deaths reaching an excruciating figure of 8 lakhs. A tiny virus has brought the whole world to a standstill. Not to forget mentioning the dwindling economy which have left millions of people jobless. On a positive note, we hope that this Independence Day proves to be a turning point and that a vaccine be launched at the earliest and the whole world returns back to its normal routine life. But the COVID-19 did not deter us from celebrating our most cherished day as we pay homage to the martyrs who laid down their lives for the independence that we have been bestowed with. मुझे तन चाहिए ना धन चाहिए, बस अमन से भरा यह वतन चाहिए। जब तक जिंदा हूँ इस मातृभूमि के लिए और जब मरूं तो तिरंगा कफन चाहिए। Without further ado, I now request Joshi sir to do the honors of unfurling the national tricolor. I also request Padmaja Marathi ma'am and Shobha Sharma ma'am to accompany me.
एक साथ राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को सलामी देंगे। सलामी दे।
मन अधिनायक
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Please be seated. लिपट कर बदन कई तिरंगे में आज भी आते हैं, यूं ही नहीं दोस्तों हम आजादी मनाते हैं। वेरी टचिंग एंड वेरी ट्रू। The true essence of patriotic fervor lies in the patriotic songs. An Independence Day celebration would be incomplete without a song that churns out the feelings of nationality amongst us. I now invite the talented musical team of our school for presenting a melodious patriotic song, Utho Jawan Desh Ki Vasundhara Pukare.
जवान देश की वसुंधरा पुकारती, देश है
Thank you, Falguni ma'am. That was indeed very, very melodious. I am sure this will give goosebumps to every patriotic Indian. I now invite Joshi sir, our director, to grace the occasion by sharing his feelings.
Morning, children. You must have been waiting and waiting for this call from my end. Not only you, I too was waiting for you all. You are missed in the school, every one of us. With the grace of God, as we have the very bright morning today, in comparison to last week, dark clouds, continuous rains, today morning is bright, and I am sure this will be continued, and very soon you will get a chance to come to school. We have tried from our end online classes, and the response that is reported to me from your end is also extremely encouraging. Thank you very much for that. I wish and I request your parents also to cooperate with you, and you too in return cooperate with your parents and your staff, your teachers who are trying their level best. We all have taken this as a blessing in disguise, that Corona has forced my every staff member to become techno-savvy, and they have mastered how to teach you online. But still, the teaching will go on. Education is not only learning, it is beyond that. It is the atmosphere that is required for learning. It is a time when the bell goes between the two periods. You get a chance to talk to each other. When the teacher is in the class, you don't get that chance. So you don't want to miss that chance, I know it. But that's part and participle of our school life, college life, university life. And that gives us something which online teaching will not give you. But nevertheless, if you make an effort to feel that way, I think you will be successful. I do not know how long or how brief I should be in this talk, but on this 74th Independence Day of our country, in which when we were granted the independence, even your parents were not born. Grandparents must be remembering those few days after independence, those days when India was bifurcated unnecessarily, sowing the seeds of disbelief amongst two brothers, two neighbors, and those seeds have become a big tree now today, even after 73 years. I feel very sad that Indians, we have to understand what is democracy and independence. Independence doesn't mean you can behave the way you feel like. Independence is to express your views, your ideas fearlessly. That's not happening. The Britishers who had white skin, they departed, and Indians who have got black skin, they entered. But our mentality has not entered, has changed at all. We are still subservient. We still behave as if we are slaves. I want every Indian, because at this opportunity I don't get to come on live in this way. I want every Indian to become a Democrat. A Democrat means equality. We all are equal. That doesn't happen. We think of a Malik and a Nokar. No, nobody is Nokar in India. All of us are equal. We work as per our credits, as per our capacity, as per our competence, but one must not ever forget that I shall improve myself all the while. Your game, your aim, and your name will be there if you keep on improving. Self-improvement should be our Atmanirbharta. That is what our Honorable Prime Minister is informing you. I would only add to it that Corona has added to you to know what are my needs. Unnecessarily, we keep on gathering things around us which are seldom used only once and cast away. Remember those days, your parents and grandparents will tell you, one set of books used to educate all children of the house. Today, everybody wants new books, new tiffin boxes every year. Is it essential? Ask this question. Parents too, I would urge that let the children strive to earn everything. Let them deserve even your very valued love. Love should be there. That is what I've been adding. Saying all the while, one must love the children. But don't spoil them. Don't pamper them. Don't give them unwantedly the gifts. Let them strive to earn it. That is what which you are going to present to your child. Let him earn out of his own earnings and see the bright face of his when he earns from his own work. That culture must be brought into our family, our life, into our society, that everything I will achieve, I will not take it free of cost. My parents may be very rich, but still those riches, they are earned out of their work. Let me earn out of my work. If we continue with this, dear children, we shall be happy to see you grow constantly and become proud of yourself. To be proud is a good thing, but to make a show of it is not a good thing. So every achievement of yours, you don't need a band, you don't need to make noise. Keep it up and earn whatever you can. I think this is much better. This is enough for you today, and I take this upon you once more to wish you a happy 74th Independence Day. To every one of you, have a good day. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement and throwing light on the current scenario. With this, we come to the end of today's short program. On behalf of Seva Sadhan Saksham, I express my heartfelt gratitude towards Joshi sir, who has my heartfelt thanks to Marathi ma'am for her guidance and encouragement. I also thank Shubha Sharma ma'am for her presence. Dear parents and children, a deep sense of appreciation for all of you for connecting with us this morning through social media. Indeed, you all have been supportive enough during these tough times. My sincere thanks to the teaching and non-teaching staff for their efforts. Let us pledge on this auspicious day to contribute in every possible way towards the development of the nation. Let us inculcate good values among life, which in turn would result in a stronger and a successful nation. I would like to end with the words, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, यह बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
सेव कैसे करना बताइए।